Hey guys, welcome back to Vinceville Custom. So today I'm sharing with you a Giantman resin kit bust that I'll be painting up for someone. Now this is pretty much in Bowen design scale, so the person I'm doing this for is mostly a Bowen collector. And well, there is still a lot of Bowen collectors out there and they want to kind of complete their collection. So a lot of guys are actually going out there and they're making like busts and characters still, and you can get them available in kit form and put them together yourself. So this was sculpted by Jim Maddox, and it's available from Angelo Valletta on Facebook. I'll link his name in the description, so if you want to go on and get yourself a copy, you can go on to his Facebook and contact him. I'm not really sure, how much it's limited to. I don't know what's going on. All I know is that somebody I do work for sent this to me, and they want me to paint it up. So I think this is the actual original 3D casting that they made copies from a mold, because there's a lot of oil clay around in the hair and some on the body and in the ears and stuff. So I actually, while I was waiting for the information on this, I was actually cleaning this all up. I was getting it all pretty much ready for primer and stuff. It comes in 4 pieces. It's not magnetized, but I'm actually setting up magnets right now. So I figured while I was waiting for the information, I can go. So you can see what I did is I put a magnet in there, I dremelled the hole, and that Aves has to cure before I can set up the magnets for the heads. But you got 4 pieces, the base, simple base, main body, and 2 different heads. Now the heads are really sculpted really well. Jim Maddox did an amazing job. One head is actually masked, the other one is maskless. So trying to see, the one on this right here is masked. As you can kind of see, it's got a mask, and this one over here isn't, which is pretty cool. It's pretty straightforward, really great sculpt. I love the detail in the face. The hair is great too. Really like the way the hair is sculpted on this. Pretty much, just once I set up the magnets, it'll be ready to go, and I can start priming and painting too. I'll probably will, maybe later today I'll start priming it. It was been raining in the morning, so I'll just kind of get this going down and pretty much get it ready to go. There is a little bit of a line going across here, and there's a little bit of a line going across here. So once I prime this up, I could kind of clean that line up. But it's a really great sculpt, really nice detail. It definitely feels like the old school Bowen Designs era stuff, which is really cool. It's always good to go back and do these once in a while. So what I'll probably do is I'm going to Dremel a hole through here, and I'll Dremel a hole through here, and I'm going to actually attach this base at the end. There's no sense in leaving a magnet in there because I don't like the way this wobbles. I think no matter which way you put it, it kind of wobbles a little bit. This one's probably exactly where it should be, but still, I would rather have this attached good and just leave the heads magnetized. But it's pretty much straightforward, nothing really to it. Really cool character. Now, I'm not really, knowledgeable a lot of the old Avengers and stuff like that, Marvel characters, but this is Bill Foster Giantman. I'm pretty sure you guys know the history of it who are fans. If not, you could go on to Wikipedia and you can look them up. But this is pretty cool. This will be a fun paint up to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get this finished up, get this painted, and I'll come back with a final video down the line once it's all done. But it's pretty straightforward. Nothing really more to it other than really nice anatomy, really good design. It's a nice throwback to the Bowen Designs era to get that stuff done. So there you go. That is Giantman Garage Kit. So I'll get this going, and hopefully in a few weeks we'll have this all done in a final video. So let me know what you guys think. Go and check out the Facebook page. There might be some other stuff that I think they got up for grabs if you're definitely into the Bowen Designs era and you're looking to complete some teams. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with some more videos.